City police across the nation, especially Memphis PD, are preparing for unrest following the released body cam footage of Tyre Nichols, his arrest and subsequent death while in custody. I also have an urgent memo sent from the ATF that was distributed to gun shops and FFL dealers warning of looting. We'll cover that in just a moment. Here's what we know at the time of the recording of this video. Police conducted an investigative stop for reckless driving on January 7th, 2023. Mr. Nichols was confrontational and ultimately fled police. During the confrontation and arrest, he was beaten, tased, and contaminated with OC. According to witnesses, the use of force on behalf of police was excessive. Mr. Nichols was transported to the hospital where he perished 3 days later. 5 Memphis police officers have been fired and charged with second-degree murder. Most have bailed out of jail. Protests are currently being planned as we speak. Here's my question for you. Do you feel your city is prepared? Will the scale of protests potentially be greater than what we saw in 2020? Let's get into the ATF memo sent to gun shops. Here we go. This is an important message from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives. Possible civil unrest in our area may result in looting of businesses. The ATF reminds you to remain vigilant and to take appropriate steps to secure both your firearms inventory and your required records. Please report all suspicious persons or activity to your local police department. Additionally, notify the ATF at 888-930-9275 if you have any of your firearms missing, lost, or stolen, or if you are a victim of attempted burglary at your business. Title of this was Potential Civil Unrest, Twin Cities, Minnesota metro area. Here's what you can do. Avoid large gatherings. Mind your business. Remove cash valuables from your business and home. Fortify your business and home. Have a go bag. Be sure your gas tank is full. Buy groceries now. Always de-escalate and always be armed. Remember the judicious use of deadly force if you or another person are in imminent and unavoidable danger of death or great bodily harm. Have a plan and a backup plan because there's a good chance your first plan isn't going to work. Don't fall victim to normalcy bias. We just saw a major riot, spontaneous riot in Atlanta, Georgia a few days ago. Also, check out the link in the description of this post as you can get a free guide, The 6 Things You Didn't Know Would Happen When the Police Arrive. It's full of great information that is useful to you. Share your thoughts in the comment sections and of course subscribe to this channel for updates as they become available. I appreciate you tuning in and as always, remain safe.